What's up, everybody? It's Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors with one of the baddest Corvettes available. This is a 2008 Z06 Atomic Orange, fully built, badass car with only 9,417 miles on it as it sits right now. Of course, as you can see, I mean, this and here, definitely not stock at all. We don't have a whole lot of time for this video today, so we're just going to do a quick walk around of it, and then we will put all the custom modifications in the comments below, or in additional photos. You'll be able to find it, and then hopefully we'll be able to get back to another full-length video showing you everything that this does have on it. Of course, as you can see in here, the beautiful Corsa exhaust on it, the 360 forged wheels. It's got the GT21 Lingenfelter Cam in it. I think it's like a 700 lift. The car is absolutely gorgeous and perfect in every way except for one little paint chip that I've seen, and that is right there. But color matched door opener buttons, color matched and powder coated calipers. And yes, that is a nitrous button. Look how beautiful that is. Super clean, never been caught in the rain. One owner car, ordered brand new from the factory in 2006. Got it in early 2000 or late 2007. But beautifully done. But as I said, we'll get you additional information and put that in the comments below, or in another video that hopefully we'll get for you coming soon. Anyway, Chad once again for you here at Holiday Motors, 3203 Victor Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com. Call or text us directly, 757-487-7333. We appreciate you watching as always and look forward to hearing from you.